So for today, Monday, we have the regional trade almanac where we highlight 12 stocks across the Asian territory. Also an update about the FTSE Asian 40 index, the benchmark for Asian liquidity market. So let's take a look. Now, as we highlight last week, the FTSE Asian 40 has we could nullify the double bottom pattern after drifting lower. So the index has indeed traded lower. Despite midweek rebound, we've seen some sort of rejection right within the 61-point Fibonacci level, as well the 20-day moving average. So all in all, within the downside still pretty much going to be there. RSI showcase a little bit more on the divergent again, but yet to be validated. So we think any downside move could be kept within the immediate support at 9450 at least near term. So as for now, since last March, the index has drifted about 12%. So it is well about inside the what we call that correction territory. So regardless, right now we think any reversal move could be flash within the current support zone. Be on the lookout for those level. All right, then for Asian equity market, we highlight 12 stock, which is a pair of trending idea buy and sell. For Malaysia, we start the first one would be Mega First. So Mega First movement inside of the triangle pattern is about to end after last Friday gain on a back of high trading volume. Momentum also improving on a back of positive reading MACD. So we expect aluminum breakout soon. So the next target will be back at 3 ringgit 60 cent and 3 ringgit 86 cent, while the cut loss level or the support will be at 3 ringgit 24 cent. Meanwhile, for digital, the ongoing correction is set to extend further, following a lower breakout below the 80-day moving average. As you can see, the structure has turned much more negative. RSI constantly trading lower, indicating the sell pressure is remaining on the downward. What we see here, the trend also drift into bearish territory, so we expect the ongoing correction to extend further. Seeking to test the next support will be at 38.5 cent and 30 cent, while the immediate resistance seen at 46 and 48.5 cent. For Indonesia, we like Chandra Asri Petrochemical. A breakout above the triangle pattern has been validated with the MACD signal. So we expect the stock to trade higher with the next target is actually paired at 3,03750 Indonesian rupiah, while the support will be at 2650. Meanwhile, for Elam Mahkota Technology, the rounding top pattern was validated by the price rejection within the Ichimoku cloud. So we're expecting the ongoing downtrend to continue further, with the support is set at 500 and 470 Indonesian rupiah. For Philippines, we like Asian Corporation, formerly known as AC Energy. The breakout above what we call that RSI here is actually being validated by the new baseline above 200-day moving average. As the stock create a new high-low structure, we think there's a room for further upside, particularly as the new short-term uptrend start to unfold. The next technical target is actually paired at 5.6 and 6.25 Philippine peso, while the support will be at 4.89. Meanwhile, for Fieldweb Corporation, downtrend still pretty much intact. Any so-called reversal move was pretty much kept within the 200-day moving average, and you can see the structure remain on the downward. We expect the stock to continue to drift lower, with the next support is actually paired at 1.56 and 1.42 Philippine peso. For Singapore, we like Geo Energy Resource, a breakout above 200-day moving average here, seeing the stock has built a new kind of, a baseline higher trading volume on the back of fresh bullish reading in stochastic is actually indicating that the stock could actually continue to unfold its ongoing short-term uptrend. So we put our next target is 34 and 39 cent, while the immediate support seen at 28 and 26.5 cent. Meanwhile, for Wing Tai, the downtrend is still pretty much intact, multiple rejection along the long-term downtrend line. As well, the 200-day moving average suggests there's a bear is pretty much in control. So we expect the stock to continue to drift lower, with the next support is actually paired at 1.34 and 1.22 Sing dollar. For Thailand, we like CH Kanchang, which is actually similar with our fundamental rating, which is also a buy. So we've seen the stock building some kind of baseline within a 61-point Fibonacci, and it was being validated following a breakout move over 200-day moving average last week. So momentum also improving, MACD also improving, so we expect the stock could actually trading higher, with the next target is back at 22 and 90 cent and 24 and 70 cent Thai baht. Then for a B52 Capital, we expect the downtrend to continue. You can see the recent rebound was pretty much at 100-day moving average. RSI struggling to put what we call a positive bias, and MACD also just started to turn bearish we're expecting the downtrend to continue, with the next support is actually paired at 1.33 and 1.14 Thai baht. Vietnam Nam Loan Investment Corporation is expected to to rebound further following what we call it formation of the multiple of support within 32,000. So we expect a rebound toward the next target at 36,000 and 39,300 Vietnam dollar, while Saigon Beer Alcohol Beverage Corporation has set to continue following a low breakout move last week, with the next support is actually looking at 58,100 and 52,000 Vietnam dollar.